What's going on, everyone? We have one more set of filings to talk about today out of NYSE American and NYSE ARCA. So we have IWM, one of the main ETFs with AMC. I believe it has about 11 million shares or so. We have some options expirations changing around IWM specifically. Let's go ahead and take a look. So this is for the NYSE American and the NYSE ARCA. They both file the same filing. It involves IWM, which is AMC's #1 holding ETF with about 11 million shares. So this is a notice of filing and immediate effectiveness of proposed rule change to amend Rule 903 to allow Monday and Wednesday expirations for options listed pursuant to the short-term option series program on the iShares Russell 2000 ETF IWM. Now, we had some other exchanges. I believe SIBO filed this as well a couple months ago. So now we have NYSE as well. Purpose. The exchange proposes to amend Rule 903, series of options open for trading, to permit Monday and Wednesday expirations for options listed pursuant to the short-term option series program or the STOS program on the iShares Russell 2000 ETF IWM. This is a competitive filing that is based on a proposal recently submitted by, NASDAQ. Okay, it was not SIBO, NASDAQ. And approved by the SEC. NASDAQ filed suit. Now we have NYSE following suit. Let's continue on. So a short-term option series is a series in an option class that is approved for listing and trading on the exchange in which the series is open for trading on any Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. That is a business day, and that expires on the Monday, Wednesday, or Friday of the next business week. Or in the case of a series that is listed on Friday and expires on a Monday, is listed one business week and one business day prior to that expiration. And then Supernote 6 says the term short-term option series is a series in an option class that is approved for listing and trading on the exchange in which the series is open for trading on any Monday, Tuesday. So they basically just redefine it. Awesome. Monday expirations. As proposed with respect to Monday IWM expirations with commentary 0.10F to Rule 903, the exchange may open for trading on any Friday or Monday that is a business day series of options on IWM to expire on any Monday of the month that is a business day and is not a Monday in which quarterly option series on the same class expire. Monday IWM expirations. Provided that Monday IWM expirations are listed on a Friday, must be listed at least one business week and one business day prior to the expiration. The exchange may list up to 5 consecutive Monday IWM expirations at one time. The exchange may have no more than a total of 5 Monday IWM expirations. As proposed with respect to Wednesday IWM expirations with commentary 0.10F to Rule 903, the exchange may open for trading on any Tuesday or Wednesday that is a business day series of options on IWM to expire on any Wednesday of the month that is a business day and is not a Wednesday in which quarterly option series on the same class expire. The exchange may list up to 5 consecutive Wednesday IWM expirations at one time. The exchange may have no more than a total of 5 Wednesday IWM expirations. Now let's look at Monday and Wednesday expirations. The interval between strike prices for the proposed Monday and Wednesday IWM expirations will be the same as those for the current short-term option series for Wednesday and Friday expirations applicable to the STOS program. Specifically, the Monday and Wednesday IWM expirations will have a 50-cent strike interval minimum. As is the case with other equity option series listed pursuant to the STOS program, the Monday and Wednesday IWM expiration series will be PM settled. Finally, the exchange is amending Rule 903H, which addresses the listing of short-term option series that expire in the same week as monthly or quarterly option series. Currently, that rule states that no short-term option series may expire in the same week in which monthly option series on the same class expire, with the exception of Monday and Wednesday SPY and QQQ expirations. Or, in the case of quarterly option series, on an expiration that coincides with an expiration of quarterly option series on the same class. As with Monday and Wednesday SPY and QQQ expirations, the exchange is proposing to permit Monday and Wednesday IWM expirations to expire in the same week as monthly option series on the same class. The exchange believes that it is reasonable to extend this exemption to Monday and Wednesday IWM expirations because Monday and Wednesday IWM expirations and standard monthly options will not expire on the same trading day as standard monthly options expire on Fridays. Additionally, the exchange believes that not listing Monday and Wednesday IWM expirations for 1 week every month because there was a monthly IWM expiration on the Friday of that week would create investor confusion. Word up, dog. In essence, the exchange does not believe that any market disruptions will be encountered with the introduction of PM settled Monday and Wednesday IWM expirations. The exchange has the necessary capacity and surveillance programs in place to support and properly monitor trading in the proposed Monday and Wednesday IWM expirations. The exchange currently trades PM settled short-term option series that expire Monday and Wednesday for SPY and QQQ and has not experienced any market disruptions nor issues with capacity. Lastly, the exchange believes Monday and Wednesday IWM expirations should create greater trading and hedging opportunities for hedge funds, as well as flexibility that will provide members with the ability to tailor their investment objectives more effectively. Crime! Crime, crime. AMC crime. There you go.